Rural areas illustrate how being in a village can be something that is often missed. The village can always be a fun destination for anyone. For some people, the village is home. That's where they come from, were born and raised. Even though they have to go abroad, in the end they will return to the village, to the homes they miss. Exotic nature, residential structures that are carved like stairs provide its own sensation. From the top of the hill, we will see a wide and beautiful view of half the world. From here, we will create 1,000 stories and provide 1,000,000 works. Welcome to Sandosi village, a village with 1,000,000 beauties. Once upon a time, Sandosi village consists of 4 areas, namely Lewo Engat, Lewo Kemie, Woka, and Regong. As the times progress, Sandosi village blossomed into 3 villages, namely Baobage village, Sandosi village, and Tobitika village. The name Sandosi itself was given by a visionary figure who founded the Palugoda Middle School, the Desit Thomas Silimado. Sandosi is often interpreted as an acronym for able to break situation, or in Indonesian it means sanggup dobrak situasi. In particular for Sandosi residents in general, how a sense of brotherhood is maintained in their identity as Sandosi people, even though they are administratively separated. The Sandosi people are used to identify residents on Sandosi Hills, even though they have become 3 villages. But people in Baobage Regong village call them Sandosi people when they are outside Adonara. In addition, the village of Sandosi is also known for its composer of the song Indah Maria in the Lamaholot language, which is used by Catholics from all over the world from this village. This village is located on top of Sandosi Hill with a very exotic natural panorama. About 3 kilometers above the village of Sandosi, there is a place called Tuak Aban. If we stand facing Mount Boleng, then there is a very beautiful natural beauty. The peak of Mount Boleng seems to be inside. We can also see Mount Lawatolok on the island of Lembata and the strait between the islands of Lembata and Adonara. If we turn our backs to Mount Boleng and look down, we will be presented with an extraordinary panoramic view of the sea. With a million natural beauty that is awarded from Sandosi Hill, as can be used as a tourism potential for the sake of improving the community's economy.